Man, these things are mean. Oh, they're mean. These sail cats are mean. Dang. No. Take her easy. All right, one cast away. All right, getting hooked up here again. Got another sail cat. Man, these things are just like vicious. Man, you guys want a good fight, you gotta catch these sail cats. They're absolutely awesome. Using this little tsunami. Take her easy, just take her easy. Ah, he's talking to me. What? What? Yeah? I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let him go. Just one cast away. Woo! Slimy little guys. I don't know what that is, but he hit it on the fall down. Still on there? Nope, not on there. Yeah, he is. Swimming towards me. It's gotta be small. What is it? Oh, probably one of those catfish. But man, they sure fight, these catfish. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Here he comes. Oh, yep, another catfish. Ah, they're all about the same size. Look at them. Man, they tug. They tug and they tug and they tug. Sail cat, another one. I hear you, bud. I completely understand. I completely understand how he feels. Nothing like getting a piercing through the lips. Come on, take her easy. All right, there he goes. Huh? What? All right, he's talking to me. All right, just one cast away.